Hello, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are already well. In this video, I would like to talk about the top 3 business ideas. These ideas have proven to be successful and they are perfect for anyone to start their own business. So let's get started. The first on the list is videography. If you have experience in video production and editing, you can start your own videography service business. You can offer your services for events such as weddings, corporate events, and music videos. The second on the list is YouTube. If you have a passion to create content, start a YouTube channel. It's a best business for you. Start a channel around a niche topic such as cooking, traveling, and other famous contents, and monetize it through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. The third on the list is technology. Rise with the technology and internet. Starting an e-commerce business has become easier than ever. You can start selling anything online, from clothing to electronics to homemade items. There are many different e-commerce platforms that you use to get started, such as Amazon, Shopify, or Etsy. And with the right marketing strategy, you can attract customers from all around the world. And there you have it, our top 3 business ideas. Remember, starting a business takes hard work and dedication, but with the right ideas and execution, you can turn your passion into a successful career. If you have any other business idea or successful story, please share them with the comment below. And don't forget to subscribe and also follow me on Instagram for more help and ideas. Thank you for watching.